Look up at the night sky and gaze into an infinite canvas, a realm where light dances and creation unfolds in breathtaking artistry. Tonight, we journey through this celestial gallery to witness the universe's most exquisite masterpieces, each a testament to the grand, silent symphony of cosmic beauty. Our journey begins in the heart of creation nebulae. These vast clouds of gas and dust are the universe's stellar nurseries, where stars are born amidst breathtaking artistry. Take, for instance, the iconic pillars of creation within the Eagle Nebula, towering columns of cosmic dust, illuminated by the intense light of newborn stars. They sculpt and carve these celestial structures, revealing intricate forms and vibrant hues. Then there is the magnificent Orion Nebula, a true jewel of the night sky, visible even to the naked eye. Here, intense ultraviolet radiation from massive young stars energizes the surrounding gas, causing it to glow in a kaleidoscope of colors: crimson hydrogen, greenish oxygen, and violet helium, painting a celestial masterpiece. And the eerie beauty of the Horsehead Nebula, a dark silhouette against a crimson backdrop, a stark reminder of the sculpting power of stellar winds and radiation. These nebulae are not static paintings, they are dynamic, living canvases constantly evolving as stars are born, live, and eventually return their material to the cosmos. From the birthplaces of stars, we soar outward to the grand cities of the cosmos galaxies, each an island universe containing billions, even trillions of stars, all bound by gravity in majestic cosmic dances. Our closest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, spirals gracefully through space, an awe-inspiring vision of a trillion suns, destined one day to merge with our own Milky Way. The Whirlpool Galaxy offers a dramatic view of galactic interaction, its elegant spiral arms clearly being influenced by a smaller companion, pulling and shaping it into its iconic form. And the striking Sombrero Galaxy, with its prominent dust lane slicing across a brilliant core, stands as a solitary, elegant sentinel in the cosmic void. Galaxies come in countless forms: elegant spirals, massive ellipticals, and chaotic irregulars, each a unique testament to the forces that sculpt the largest structures in our universe. They are the true masterpieces of scale, containing entire universes within their swirling arms. Closer to home, within our own solar system and those beyond, we find worlds of spectacular beauty and mystery. The gas giants, like mighty Jupiter, swirl with storms larger than Earth, a dynamic tapestry of color and motion, its great red spot a perpetual ancient eye. Saturn, adorned with its magnificent rings, is perhaps the most iconic jewel of our cosmic neighborhood. Billions of icy particles, ranging from tiny grains to house-sized boulders, orbit the planet in a spectacular ballet, reflecting sunlight into breathtaking patterns. Beyond, the serene blue giants of Uranus and Neptune drift in the outer reaches, their distant beauty hinting at hidden dynamics. And our own celestial neighbors, like Mars, with its desolate yet captivating red landscapes, vast canyons, and icy poles, invite us to dream of future exploration. But it's not just planets. Their moons often hold even greater wonders: Europa, with its fractured icy shell hinting at a subsurface ocean, Enceladus, spewing icy plumes into space, and Titan, shrouded in a thick orange atmosphere, hiding lakes of liquid methane, each a world unto itself, a testament to the diverse beauty of planetary systems. Even in death, stars leave behind some of the most spectacular sights in the universe. When a massive star explodes as a supernova, it briefly outshines an entire galaxy, then leaves behind a beautiful, expanding remnant of gas and dust, glowing with the energy of its demise. These supernova remnants, like the Crab Nebula, are intricate tapestries woven from the dying embers of a star. Smaller, sun-like stars, as they approach the end of their lives, shed their outer layers, forming exquisite planetary nebulae. These ethereal shells of gas, such as the Cat's Eye Nebula or the Helix Nebula, are often perfectly symmetrical and brilliantly colored, revealing the star's final artistic flourish before it fades into a white dwarf. And then there are the mysterious remnants neutron stars, incredibly dense objects that are the crushed cores of massive stars, some spinning rapidly and emitting powerful beams of radiation as pulsars. And the ultimate cosmic enigma: black holes. Regions where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. Yet the disks of superheated material swirling around them create some of the brightest, most dynamic spectacles in the cosmos, a dramatic ballet of light and shadow at the edge of the unknown. The universe is also a stage for spectacular light shows, born from the interactions of stellar winds, magnetic fields and charged particles. On Earth, we are privileged to witness the aurora borealis and australis, the northern and southern lights, when solar particles collide with our planet's atmosphere, painting the polar skies with shimmering curtains of green, pink, and purple light. These same phenomena occur on other planets like Jupiter and Saturn, where their powerful magnetic fields generate even more magnificent auroral displays, visible only to our most advanced telescopes. And at the heart of our solar system, our sun is a constant source of powerful, beautiful light shows. Massive solar flares and coronal mass ejections erupt from its surface, sending colossal arcs of superheated plasma hundreds of thousands of miles into space. These powerful events are a reminder of the raw, untamed energy of a star, and the profound beauty that arises from the fundamental forces of nature. Beyond the grand structures, beauty is also found in the smallest, most transient travelers of the cosmos. Comets, often called dirty snowballs, awaken from their icy slumber as they approach the sun, growing brilliant comas and sweeping ethereal tails of gas and dust. They are ancient messengers, tracing luminous paths across the dark canvas of space, fleeting yet unforgettable spectacles. Even asteroids, rocky remnants from the early solar system, reveal their own rugged beauty up close. Their scarred surfaces tell tales of billions of years of cosmic impacts, each crater a silent witness to the violent ballet of formation. And the subtle artistry of icy worlds and interstellar dust clouds remind us that beauty isn't always vibrant or explosive. Sometimes, it is found in the quiet elegance of scattered light, the delicate structures of primordial matter, or the serene, frosty landscapes of distant, silent moons. The universe also holds wonders that, honestly, defy easy explanation, phenomena that stretch our understanding of physics and create spectacles of profound beauty. Gravitational lensing, for instance, where massive galaxy clusters act as cosmic magnifying glasses, bending and distorting the light from even more distant galaxies, creating ethereal arcs and rings of light across the sky. At the hearts of many galaxies, including our own, lie supermassive black holes. When actively feeding, these quasars become the brightest objects in the universe, emitting colossal jets of energy and light that stretch for millions of light years, a testament to unimaginable power, expressed with terrifying beauty. And then there are the majestic globular clusters, ancient spherical collections of hundreds of thousands to millions of stars, tightly bound by gravity, like shimmering pearls scattered in the cosmic ocean. Each an ancient relic, a window into the early universe, and a breathtaking sight in its own right. Amidst all these cosmic wonders, there is one object of incomparable beauty and significance: our home, Earth. From the vastness of space, it shines like a vibrant blue jewel, a beacon of life in the infinite darkness. Its swirling clouds, vast oceans, and verdant continents form a dynamic masterpiece, constantly changing, constantly alive. Looking back at Earth from orbit, witnessing the thin, fragile ribbon of its atmosphere against the inky blackness, reminds us of its preciousness, and of the incredible, unlikely conditions that have allowed such breathtaking beauty to flourish. And when the night falls, and the city lights twinkle, we see our collective human imprint, a new kind of light, shining in concert with the stars. Even from our planet's surface, the universe continues to reveal its glory. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, stretches across the night sky like a shimmering river of stars, a constant reminder of the grand cosmic ocean in which we reside. The beauty of the universe is not just out there, it is interwoven with our very existence, reflected in the natural wonders all around us. In witnessing these cosmic masterpieces, we find ourselves, tiny yet sentient observers, on a small, pale blue dot. The universe's beauty is not just in its colors and forms, but in the profound sense of perspective it grants us. It reminds us of our scale, our interconnectedness, and the incredible privilege of being able to perceive such grandeur. Every image captured by our telescopes, every piece of data analyzed, is an extension of our collective curiosity, our innate drive to understand the cosmos. It is a shared human endeavor, peering into the infinite, seeking answers to the most fundamental questions about existence. And in that search, we find not just science, but art, philosophy, and a deep spiritual connection to everything. The beauty of the universe is a language spoken in light and gravity, in the dance of creation and destruction, a story whispered across billions of years, and we, for a brief moment, are here to listen, to observe, and to be utterly, profoundly awestruck. Our journey through the universe's masterpieces concludes, but the cosmic canvas continues to unfold. With every new discovery, every new image, we uncover more layers of its unimaginable beauty, more secrets whispered across the light years. The cosmos is an eternal artist, perpetually creating, perpetually inspiring. May you continue to look up with wonder, to seek beauty in the vastness, and to remember that we are all, in a profound sense, stardust, intricately connected to every masterpiece in this incredible universe. Thank you for joining us on this journey.